Do you want to earn revenue from your YouTube channel? Are you ready to take the leap and start making money from your passion? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 5 proven methods to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. Each one of these techniques is a stepping stone, a part of your journey towards financial success on YouTube. So buckle up and get ready. Stay tuned as we dive into these 5 methods, each one a stepping stone on your path to YouTube success. The first method to earn revenue from your YouTube channel is through advertising revenue. Now, what exactly is advertising revenue? It's pretty simple. It's the money you earn from ads that are displayed on your videos. These ads can come in various forms, such as display ads, overlay ads, skippable and non-skippable video ads, and even sponsored cards. Different ads pay different amounts, but the general idea is that the more views your ads get, the more money you can potentially earn. The key to unlocking this revenue stream is by becoming a part of the YouTube Partner Program. Being a part of this program allows you to share in the profits from ads displayed on your videos. But as with most things in life, there are some eligibility requirements to join the program. Firstly, you need to live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Secondly, you need to have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Thirdly, you need to have more than 1,000 subscribers. And finally, you need to have a linked AdSense account. Once you've met these requirements and have been accepted into the program, YouTube will start displaying ads on your videos. But it's not just about meeting the requirements and then sitting back and watching the money roll in. You need to continue creating engaging content that will attract viewers and keep them watching. Remember, the more views your ads get, the more revenue you'll earn. But here's the thing, ad revenue can be unpredictable and it varies greatly depending on factors like your video's view count, ad inventory, how many ads are displayed on your videos, and even the time of year. So while it's an excellent way to start earning money from your YouTube channel, it's important to not put all your eggs in one basket and explore other methods of revenue as well. So that's advertising revenue, a direct and effective way to start earning from your YouTube channel. Our second method is through channel memberships. This is a feature that allows your viewers to become members of your channel through monthly payments. In return, they receive badges, new emojis, and access to exclusive perks that you set. Now, to set this up, you'll need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, have more than 30,000 subscribers, and be over 18. Once you check off all these boxes, you can enable channel memberships in the Monetization tab of your YouTube studio. But hang on, merely setting it up isn't enough. You've got to make it attractive for your viewers to want to become members, right? How do you do that? By offering exclusive perks. These perks could be anything from early access to your new videos, exclusive live chats, or even a behind-the-scenes peek. Remember, the more creative and unique your perks are, the more your viewers would want to sign up. For instance, if you're a fitness YouTuber, you could offer personalized workout plans. If you're into cooking, how about exclusive recipes or cooking classes? The possibilities are endless and only limited by your imagination. Now, let's talk benefits. The beauty of channel memberships is the recurring nature of the income. Unlike ad revenue, which can fluctuate based on views, memberships provide a steady income stream. Furthermore, it also helps to foster a sense of community. Your members feel like they're part of something special, and this can lead to higher engagement and loyalty. But remember, this method requires commitment. You have to consistently deliver on the perks you promise to keep your members happy and engaged. It's not just about making money, but also about building relationships with your audience. In conclusion, channel memberships can be a steady source of income and a great way to build a tight-knit community around your channel. It's about turning your viewers into loyal fans who are willing to support you financially. So, if you have a dedicated audience and are willing to put in the work, this could be a fantastic monetization method for you. Moving on to the third method, it's the merchandise shelf. Now, if you're a creator who loves to design or has a knack for creating funky merchandise, this method is tailor-made for you. The merchandise shelf is a feature that YouTube offers to its eligible creators, allowing them to showcase and sell their merchandise directly from their YouTube channel. Think about it. Imagine your viewers watching your content, and just below the video, they see this cool shelf displaying your unique merchandise. It's like having your very own digital storefront right there on your channel. So what can you sell on this merchandise shelf? The options are pretty vast. You can sell clothing like t-shirts, hoodies, or hats, accessories, home decor, or even custom-made items. The key is to create merchandise that resonates with your audience and reflects your unique brand. Now, before you start designing your merchandise, there are a few requirements to be able to use this feature. First, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. Second, your channel must have more than 10,000 subscribers. And third, you need to be in a country where the merchandise shelf is available. Once you meet these requirements, you can set up your merchandise shelf and start selling. You'll need to partner with a merchandise company, upload your designs, and decide on pricing. And voila, your merchandise can start appearing under your videos. But remember, it's not just about selling. The merchandise shelf also acts as a promotional tool. It's a way to strengthen your brand, create a stronger bond with your audience, and give them a way to show their support beyond just watching your videos. So get creative, design merchandise that your audience will love, and turn your YouTube channel into not just a platform for sharing content, but also a thriving marketplace. The merchandise shelf is a fantastic way to earn revenue and promote your brand at the same time. Method number 4 is Super Chat and Super Stickers. These are unique features offered by YouTube that are designed to boost viewer participation and engagement during live streams. But more than just fostering a sense of community, they also open up a new avenue for revenue generation. So what exactly are Super Chat and Super Stickers? Well, Super Chat is a feature that allows viewers to pay a certain amount to have their comments highlighted and pinned in the chat during a live stream. The more a viewer pays, the longer their comment stays pinned. It's a great way for viewers to get their messages noticed, especially in a bustling live chat. On the other hand, Super Stickers are animated graphics that viewers can purchase and use during live chats. They're a fun and visually appealing way for viewers to express their reactions or support. Like Super Chats, Super Stickers also come at different price points, offering viewers a range of options to choose from. Now, how do these features translate into revenue? You see, YouTube shares a portion of the proceeds from Super Chat and Super Stickers with the creators. So every time a viewer purchases a Super Chat or a Super Sticker during your live stream, you earn a share of that payment. The exact percentage varies from region to region, but it's a nice little bonus that adds up over time, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. But beyond the monetary benefits, Super Chat and Super Stickers also contribute to a more engaging and interactive live stream experience. They allow viewers to participate more actively, express themselves more creatively, and feel more connected to the creator and the community. This increased engagement can, in turn, lead to higher viewer loyalty and more consistent viewership, which can further boost your revenue in the long run. So, if you're a creator who frequently hosts live streams, consider enabling Super Chat and Super Stickers on your channel. Not only will they add a new layer of fun and interactivity to your live streams, but they can also provide a steady stream of additional revenue. Super Chat and Super Stickers not only bring in revenue, but they also make your live streams more interactive and fun. Finally, the 5th method is YouTube Premium revenue. But what is YouTube Premium? Well, it's a subscription service offered by YouTube that allows users to enjoy ad-free viewing, access to YouTube originals, and the ability to play videos in the background or offline. But here's the kicker for creators like you. Every time a YouTube Premium member watches your content, you earn a portion of their subscription fee. This revenue is divided among creators based on how much time Premium members spend watching their content. So, the more engaging and compelling your videos are, the more you stand to earn. This method is a win-win for both creators and viewers. Creators get a new revenue stream, and viewers get an uninterrupted ad-free viewing experience. So to sum up, YouTube Premium revenue is an excellent way to earn money while providing your viewers with an ad-free viewing experience. So there you have it, 5 proven methods to earn revenue from your YouTube channel. We've covered advertising revenue, channel memberships, the merchandise shelf, super chat and super stickers, and YouTube premium revenue. It's your turn now. Implement these strategies, keep refining your craft, and watch your channel grow. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Keep creating, keep improving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on YouTube success. Until next time, keep shining.